Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are in Paris. So we're in Paris. We're on a trip for my graduation. Slash Tori's early birthday. So I thought I'd vlog the experience, and I think I'm gonna split it up by each place we go. So we're in Paris. What did we do this morning? I took clips. We flew in. We landed, we took the train all the way down here, then we got lunch at this place my sister picked out. I'll insert the name in the clip. What else did we do? We saw the Notre Dame, it's under construction, so we just looked at it. We wandered around, and now we're back at our hostel. We are staying at the People. I love it so far. It's super cute. So we're gonna take you along. We just got into our rooms, so we're gonna shower, and then we'll meet you guys back at dinner. We are all ready. Going to the Arc de Triomphe, or Triumph. We are not sure which way to pronounce it. They may or may not just ran across the street to get here. They almost died. Eiffel Tower. That's right.
Are you happy to be in Paris?
Oh, oui. Angel. We got back a while ago. We're like dying from jet lag. Tori almost fell asleep before she got in the shower. But yeah, we had dinner and all of that. And then we took the craziest freaking scooter ride back on one of those Lime scooters. And like my phone died, so we could only rent one. So I was on the back of my sister's, and we drove it all the way back to our hostel, and it was crazy but really fun, and I can't wait for tomorrow and to show you guys the rest of Paris. Good morning guys, here is my outfit for today. We're about to go eat at a cafe that was in Gossip Girl. Alright, Tori, give me your outfit deets.
My outfit of the day. My jacket is Columbia from Loyola, Chicago.
Okay.
My shoes, Urban Outfitters.
Hi.
My jeans, Anthropology. My top, Anthropology.
Sponsored by Anthropology. Outfit. Jacket. Zara. Scarf. H&M. Shoes. Doc Marten. Tights. Target. Socks, Vans. I zipped this up because it's gonna be cold outside. Top, Old Princess Polly, and then my skirt, my favorite part, Free People. This is
also owned by Urban.
Yeah, this is all sponsored by Urban. JK, but they should. After our nice little outfit intro update, we took. Tori took a 2-hour nap. I took like a 45-minute nap.
I didn't know I was gonna sleep at all.
So now we're gonna go get lunch.
Later when we get back, we'll watch the new Try Guys video.
Yeah. At 2 p.m. we're getting lunch, and we're gonna go hit up some thrift stores, I think. Yeah. Okay, I wanted to show you what I got thrifting. First off, I got this at this super cute kimono, super long. Then it has this like dragon and koi fish on the back, and it's actually reversible. So then on this side is another dragon. I thought this would be cute just paired with like jeans and a white t-shirt or tank top, and just throw this over. Super cute. Been wanting one of those. And then the second thing I got at the Tragic Vintage store. You guys, you gotta go there. They have so many good stuff. And I got this freaking skirt. Look at it. It fit like a glove. It looks so cute with what I'm wearing with like tights. And then maybe I have like knee-high boots with this. Or even my like cowboy boots and a cute fucking top. But yeah, that's what I got. And we're just stopping here. We also got more macarons. We haven't even finished the other ones, but we got it at this place called Pierre Hermé, which my sister wanted to go to. I'll try those later. And we're gonna go to the Moulin Rouge, and I think there's another place over there that my sister wants to go to. We're gonna scooter over there, so yeah. The best part of the film, when it rolls back up. And with that, we are done in Paris. We are coming back after Amsterdam for the last little bit, but probably that'll be included in the Amsterdam vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe for the rest of the Euro vlogs, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.